Still think furniture made in China is cheap and tacky? Then come with me, because what I'm about to show you, honestly, it's going to blow your mind. Just one factory, one wood type, American walnut. And what they managed to create with it is something you would hardly expect to see here in China. And at the very end, let me know in the comments, did your opinion change or not? This factory is all about wood. American walnut, solid wood, veneer. I mean, the way they work with it. You just stand there wondering, wait, how is this even possible? Any shapes, any curves, it's like wood becomes Play-Doh in their hands. There's a whole range of styles here, from Asian to the most modern. This is a large enterprise with history and a solid reputation, not to be confused with a garage workshop. This is serious manufacturing. Previously, this factory spent its entire life making calm, traditional Chinese classics. But now, they produce something that will honestly leave you in shock. No matter how long I've been working with China, I never cease to admire what local factories are capable of. And this is precisely one of those cases. Are you already familiar with this location? We were here, right at the very beginning. It's like a signature showcase. Right at the entrance, we're met by a modern modular sofa, and it is huge. While setting up the lighting, I was thinking, what else can I say about this sofa? The fact that it's big, mapa, is an understatement. I estimated visually that about 15 people could fit here. Just think about what a large group you could gather to spend evenings here. Lay out some treats here on the table. And over there, there's another table between the sofas. So comfortable, amazingly soft, it fits into absolutely any style. And as I love to say, it won't just sit in your living room, it will dominate it. That's a 100%, a total headliner. This is just our warm-up, the nighttime intro, but it gets way more interesting from here. Let's start properly, right from this sofa. It's modular. Want a U-shape, a T-shape, or an L-shape? You can even make it a single standalone module, and with a bit of imagination, you could set it up in any custom shape you like. Design-wise, it features clean lines, Italian school style, but the frame and the backrest, they're made of wood, which makes it unlike anything else out there. Here we have a bookshelf, a clever play on geometry. Rectangular inserts like these combined with rounded elements. Everything is in perfect harmony. And the cabinet, by the way? It's made entirely of American walnut. TV stand, wood plus a countertop. Let's test our shelves to see how they work. Let me close them synchronously. Worked flawlessly. The countertops are made entirely of marble, mounted to the walls and wall panel. The wall panel, by the way, is also made at the factory, though it can be wood or textile, and instead of a TV, we have a decorative accent piece installed. I hope I'm not the only one who sees it, but it looks quite aesthetic. While we head to the next location, I'll pass the word to Matvey, the founder of GLOBUS.
Beautiful showroom design is great, but the most important part happens next. Our team of 30 employees monitors quality daily at the factories here in China. For us, a personalized approach is a guarantee that you'll get exactly what you ordered, with no defects or delays. Drawing on 15 years of experience, we take on all the risks for turnkey furnishing. Send us your design project and we'll prepare a detailed, free estimate for you. The link is below the video.
Here we have a dining table. What attracts attention here isn't even what's on top. What's underneath is much more interesting. Let's get closer. Do you see these curved legs? This is incredible. Painstaking, complex, heavy work. Knowing that wood is the most stubborn material. Here they made whatever they wanted out of it. With these curves, just like shaping modeling dough. Work like this shows that serious professionals are working at this factory. To achieve a curve like this without a single seam, solid American walnut is steamed and slowly bent over a template. This is an old-school technique that requires specialized equipment and years of experience. You cannot rush wood or the fibers will snap. Here, we have a bookshelf, but honestly, my tongue just won't turn to call it a bookshelf. It's a full-blown decorative centerpiece. Plus, it mounts right from floor to ceiling, creating complete space zoning. Italian brands love doing things like this, don't they? It looks expensive, stylish, and refined. Nothing loud or flashy. You can display way more than just books here. Loaded up with decor, a true art object in your home. Super. This sofa is made up of individual single-seater sections, which means, accordingly, you can adapt it to absolutely any space. Right now, I'm testing its softness. It's a bit similar to our first sofa. Same kind of modular feel. Oh wow, that is so nice. Extremely soft, almost offensively soft. And in every review, I usually just sit down like this and that's it. But I always want to stretch my legs out. And here, look what I found. We're already moving. And finally, I can stretch my legs. Oh, and lean my head back. So good. Are you still here? I knew it, but here's what's interesting. What else does the factory offer? They have this in both leather. By the way, here's a fabric armchair. Yeah, fabric is definitely more comfortable. And because of my pants, I tend to slide off leather seats. It's really nice. Fabric. We've got green marble here, and warm wood underneath, creating this beautifully sleek silhouette. It looks incredibly expensive. You get the impression it probably costs a fortune, but in reality, it doesn't. It just goes to show what you can do with smart material combinations. The professionals working at this factory are absolutely top-notch. Friends, are you ready? Right now comes my absolute 100% favorite. Just take a look. Is this even legal? I love absolutely everything about this. I was sure that the moment I sat down, I'd fall in love with it. And yep. Stupid question, obviously. I'm telling you honestly. That's it. I'm in love. I'm never leaving. Just look at this headboard. It's monumental. It's massive. When I touch it, I'm only feeling the soft fabric part. I don't even touch the wooden frame at all. And the wood here, as you know, brings that warm hearth and home cozy vibe. And a sense of total security. So, soft on the inside and solid on the outside. This bedroom set is designed so intelligently. This charismatic bed, these wall textile panels, it makes you feel like you're staying in an ultra-luxurious hotel. Except this hotel that is right in your own home. And while nobody's watching, I just have to do this on this bed. A dressing table, 2 finishes, natural wood and lacquered. Watch this, I open up the hidden mirror. Here you go. We have storage drawers for personal items. Though this is probably more for the ladies, right? Jewelry, lipsticks, cosmetics. Whatever you like. Now I close it and it transforms right back into a writing desk, built exceptionally well. Transformation thanks to hidden tabletop mechanisms. The mirror folds right down inside the casing, leaving a completely flat surface for a functional desk. It's highly valued in compact bedrooms where a single area needs to serve multiple functions. And this bed is the exact opposite of that favorite of mine we just looked at, the one I was telling and showing you about. That one was more about structure and a sense of protection. But this one, this is pure. And there's an interesting feature here on the sides of the headboard. You can add these modules, so-called pockets. You can remove them or add them. It all depends on your room size and how much space you have. Now right here the pocket is extended and we have a nightstand placed inside where you can keep your personal belongings. Everything looks so harmonious. Plus these rounded pillows add a touch of fairy tale magic to this bed. They definitely elevate the whole vibe by 100%. Alright, in this location I won't try to sound too clever. It's all about minimalism and Italian inspiration here. I haven't actually explored this space yet, so I want to walk through it with you. In real time, wander around and test everything out. So over here we have a sofa. That's pretty soft. As you already know, I'm not a huge fan of leather sofas. I definitely prefer fabric. Here's the fabric one. Let's test this one too. But this one's a little stiff. I like the other one better because it was softer. This one's so stiff it would be totally awesome if we could switch them around. An armchair. Soft. Comfortable. 2 people can even sit here together. Yeah, for a very, very big and important person. This sofa is clearly inspired by the Italian design school. It has that signature Italian lightness, clean, crisp lines. But there's one main difference. Let me tell you. In the original version, they use a metal insert. But here, it's made of wood, and this is one of those rare cases where the tweak actually worked out better than the original. It completely brings the whole sofa to life. Over here we have a chest of drawers. Such beautiful craftsmanship. The frame is crafted from American walnut, and what's most interesting, this isn't veneer. It's a solid marble inlay, and let's test the structural integrity on the inside. Everything here is built exceptionally solid. Sometimes, when you open a drawer, the bottom starts to sag from the weight of your things, but here, it's done with true craftsmanship. You could literally stack bricks in here, and nothing is going to bend. And here's another dining area, once again featuring an accent pedestal base. You can tell this manufacturer loves it, excels at it, and does it all the time. But something else caught my eye here. We have this rotating tray. Hands down the most popular feature in Chinese restaurants for passing food around easily. If you don't need it, or if it doesn't fit your design, you can easily just remove it. Right now I have 2 drink glasses sitting right here perfectly, and I'd love to pass one over to our subscribers watching us right now. Thank you so much, guys. And now the chairs. I actually already sat in them when I was reviewing this table. And I'm the kind of person where if I don't like a piece of furniture, I notice it immediately. Because it's uncomfortable, right? Something feels off. It's just not right. But here, something completely different happened. I didn't feel anything in terms of discomfort at all, which means, for me, this chair is great, excellent craftsmanship, ideal seating position. Plus, I noticed a cool detail. We have fabric right here, and genuine leather over here. It's such a small detail, but it's so nice. This dresser is a true all-rounder because it'll look completely natural absolutely anywhere. Living room hall, even in the kitchen for storing tableware. It would fit right in. What really caught my eye here is the tabletop and this glass panel that almost seems to float in thin air. It gives you that immediate wow effect. Even though the mechanism itself is actually quite simple, the sheer emotion and elegance it brings is incredible. And this back panel, the mosaic pattern and the wood veneer are like a work of art on their own. You could honestly display it in a museum. And for dessert, our final location. When I first saw how everything was arranged with these rounded shapes, I thought it had to be inspired by a bathyscaphe because it reminded me so much of an underwater world. Right here on the table, I see a little fish, and I asked myself, and how did the designer even manage to pull this off? Knows that I would get it within the first 2 or 3 seconds. I honestly have no idea how that works. And honestly, I still don't understand how someone can create such beauty. Just a reminder, wood is the most stubborn material out there. This factory proves time and again that they can pull off absolutely any geometry. Plus, this contrast between white and dark, it looks so rich and textured. So that's this factory for you, just one wood type, American walnut, and look at how much they can craft out of it. Everything from sleek minimalist sofas to these curved legs and mosaic wall panels. And this is just standalone furniture. They also do custom built-ins, kitchens, walk-in closets, all tailored to your project. If you're interested, let us know in the comments and we'll shoot a dedicated video for you. Now back to that question from the beginning. Has your opinion on Chinese furniture changed? Or which item did you like the most? Drop a comment below, and if you spotted something you love for your own home, send us your design project and we'll calculate all the prices for free. Link below the video. At GLOBUS, we source turnkey interiors straight from Foshan. See you in China. Goodbye.